Hey everyone, did you know that the Galaxy S25 Ultra can get sluggish or have charging issues just from a dirty port or screen? Yeah, it's that easy to overlook the small stuff. Today we're diving into the top 4 best cleaning kits for Galaxy S25 Ultra to help you fix those frustrating problems and keep your phone looking brand new. Whether it's cleaning the screen or restoring your charging ports, I've got you covered. Make sure to check out the links in the description for the best deals. Let's get started. On number 4 is CUIUD Touchscreen Cleaner. Ever wonder how much dirt and grime are lurking on your screen? You might be shocked by how dirty your device really is. The CUIUD Touchscreen Cleaner is here to solve that problem with a simple solution. One spray and one wipe, and your screen looks like new. This cleaner is perfect for all your devices, from your Galaxy S25 Ultra to your iPad or laptop. The alcohol and ammonia-free formula makes it safe for sensitive people and won't damage your screen. Plus, the microfiber cloth is reusable, saving you money and reducing waste. It's compact, easy to carry, and works wonders, making it a standout in the top 4 best cleaning kits for Galaxy S25 Ultra. Have you ever noticed how much better your device looks after a proper cleaning? Let me know in the comments. At number 3 is Pureport USB-C multi-tool phone cleaning. Did you know a simple clogged port could be ruining your phone's performance? I was shocked to learn that dirty charging ports cause the majority of connectivity issues. And I'm not talking about a dead battery. That's where the Pureport USB-C multi-tool comes in. If you're struggling with charging issues on your Galaxy S25 Ultra, this kit is a lifesaver. Unlike many top 4 best cleaning kits for Galaxy S25 Ultra, Pureport goes the extra mile by not only cleaning, but also reviving damaged connectors and ports. The included cleaning solution works wonders, removing dust, oils, and even fixing blackened pins that might otherwise cost you hundreds in repairs. It's a quick, easy fix to extend your device's lifespan without breaking the bank. Trust me, if you're tired of unreliable charging, Pureport is worth a try. Have you ever used a cleaning kit? Drop your thoughts below. On number 2 is Portplugs USB-C Dust Plug. Did you know that dust and debris in your USB-C port could be causing charging issues and potentially leading to expensive repairs? Shocking, right? That's where Portplugs USB-C dust plugs come to the rescue. This little gem is a must-have for anyone with a Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other USB-C device. It's compatible with everything from smartphones to tablets and even gaming consoles. The pack comes with 10 snug-fitting dust plugs, plus a handy cleaning brush, making it one of the best values out there compared to the top 4 best cleaning kits for Galaxy S25 Ultra. Portplugs not only prevent dirt buildup, but also extend the lifespan of your device. It's super easy to use, and the plugs stay secure even with daily use. Protect your device from costly repairs and ensure smooth charging every time. Have you tried a dust plug? Let me know in the comments. Now moving to the last one is Ordilend phone cleaning. Did you know your charging port could be the reason your phone isn't charging properly? If you're frustrated with slow or unreliable charging, the Ordilend phone cleaning kit might just be the solution you didn't know you needed. This pocket-sized tool is perfect for cleaning and repairing USB-C and Lightning ports on your Galaxy S25 Ultra or any device. It comes with a port hook, U-shaped brushes, and silicone tips to safely remove dust, lint, and grime. Unlike other cleaning kits, the Ordilend is super portable and easy to use, making it an essential companion for anyone on the go. The sleek design, combined with its cleaning power, helps fix poor connections, extending your device's life. If you're tired of dealing with unreliable charging, this kit is a must-try. What's your experience with cleaning kits? Let me know below. So guys, this was the video about the top 4 best cleaning kits for Galaxy S25 Ultra. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.